Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ram truck into neutral using its emergency override. This is the only way to shift your vehicle if the battery is dead or for towing, as the electronic rotary shifter requires power to operate. It's a vital skill for any truck owner. We will cover the simple steps to safely engage this manual release, ensuring you can move your vehicle when needed. Remember to always apply the parking brake first. First, you need to locate the manual park release access panel. This small, rectangular cover is usually on the driver's side kick panel, just below the steering column and above the parking brake release handle. Gently pry it open using a small flathead screwdriver, a plastic trim tool, or even the emergency key from your fob. It's designed to pop off with a little careful pressure, revealing the override mechanism inside. Once the panel is removed, you will see a lever with an orange or red tether strap. Before pulling the strap, locate the small locking tab, usually a metal clip, just below the lever. Use your screwdriver to push this tab to the right. While holding the tab in this disengaged position, firmly pull the tether strap. The lever will then rotate rearward and lock into place, putting your truck into neutral. With the lever locked in place, your truck is now in neutral and can be safely moved or towed. Remember to keep the parking brake engaged until you are ready to move the vehicle. To return the transmission to park, simply push the locking tab again and push the lever forward until it clicks back into its original position. Finally, reattach the access panel by aligning its clips and pressing it firmly back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.